Hello friends, this is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm out after a very long time. I'm in ECR. I'm at Hibiscus Cafe and also a store at the same place which is called Essential Traditions by Kyle. Let's get in and have a look. So the board that you see there on top is the cafe. And this store on the ground floor is Essential Traditions by Kyle. The store is very well designed and it is divided into sections which I will take you through. Essential Traditions by Kyle brings organic food and sustainable cookware under one roof. So let's get started to see what exactly the store has to offer us. As I enter, I see these baskets which are quite lovely and can be used as multifunctional decor as well. Most of the Indian kitchens have mortar and pestles, and I personally have two, out of which one is this stoneware. Using them to grind and crush your food is way more effective and it releases a lot of flavors compared to exposing that to your machine. And as you can see, they have them in various sizes. Rack next to that had these ceramic clay barni or jars which are apt for storing your pickles and spices. And here they have this huge collection of earthen cookware and serveware, and I just love this small little tadka pan. It is so cute. And other than this, they have handis, kadhais, saucepans, skillets, pots, so they have serveware, that is tumblers, plates, katoris, bowls and what not. I was just amazed to see this. Every cookware is customized with a lid meant for it, and I just love this Dutch oven, absolutely loving this. We all know the health benefits of copper and they cater our needs with various jugs, bottles and water dispensers. Here comes the bronze and brass section, and I'm just loving this masala box. This is how our nanis and dadis used to store their spices. So this is with two lids. One is to avoid any kind of spill. It has a spoon and different sections and the outer lid, and it is quite heavy and I'm just loving this one. So yeah, other than that, they have all kind of storage containers in different sizes, and they have cookware, serveware, this entire set of serveware and a lot more. This idli maker caught my attention, and it is so huge and super heavy with the various sections to make idlis. This South Indian traditional coffee tumblers and katoris are in my bucket list and I'm going to buy them soon. So here is their soapstone collection, and it has all the kalchettis, the traditional way, South Indian way of cooking, and it has different sizes of kalchettis. And here they have all kind of wooden ladles, the one with coconut shells too, and wooden chapati boxes. They have a huge collection of cast iron utensils. They have kadai, appam pans, tawas, skillets, and they have various sizes of kadai, as you can see. Starting from the smallest to the biggest, they have all size, which is amazing. They have flat kadai also, and they have tawas also, various shapes, slightly deeper, flattened ones. Madam, this induction safe? Induction la use பண்ணலாமா இது
ஃப்ளாட்டா இருக்கனால இண்டக்ஷன்ல யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். இந்த மாதிரி வந்து கீழ வந்து பவுல் மாடல் வருதுல, இந்த மாதிரி வந்து நம்ம கேஸ்ல யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்.
ஆமா, இது பண்ண முடியாது இண்டக்ஷன்ல. ஆனா இதெல்லாம் பண்ணலாமா?
இண்டக்ஷன் பேஸ்ல இருக்கு மேம்.
அது ஃப்ளாட் பேஸ்,
ஃப்ளாட்டாவும் இருக்கும் கீழ. இப்படி இருக்கும் கடாய் வந்து இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு.
இது இண்டக்ஷன் சேஃப். ஒண்ணும் ஆகாது.
எதுமே ஆகாது.
ஷூர்ல?
எஸ் மேம்.
So which is really great that they have both for gas stove and for induction. So these flat ones, these are basically tadka pans. They're quite heavy, but since they have a flat base, they are induction compatible too, which is amazing. Tissue edavadhu irundha kodunga. Adu Dutch oven le. So that's a Dutch oven and I'm wanting to have one from a very very long time, and I hope that's induction safe, induction compatible too. Idu Dutch oven kuda induction compatible ah? And with this the cast iron section gets over, and here they have all the iron utensils. Other than this one in Ninjambakam, they also have stores in Besant Nagar and Arepuram. And here they have some copper and bamboo straws and brushes, cleaning brushes as well. ये विपुल, ये मम्मी का वो जो मम्मी मटके के नीचे रखती थी ना, जो अपना खराब हो गया है ना, इट्स गुड. இது ஹேண்ட்மேடா?
ஹேண்ட்மேட் மேம். இது வந்து பனானா எஃபராது, இது வந்து பேம்பு.
இது பனானா. எது லைஃப் நல்லா இருக்கும்?
ரெண்டுமே நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறது பொறுத்து தான்.
ஓகே.
பாட் ஹோல்டர்.
எங்ககிட்ட இருந்தது ரொம்ப பழசு, அது இப்போ கொஞ்சம் கெட்டு போயிடுச்சு. ஏன்
போடக்கூடாது.
ஆமாம். This entire section has personal care stuff, that is skin and hair care and home needs. So this entire section, both sides are all grocery items and all are organic stuff. Plus they are stuff which are healthy. So not just organic, they are healthy version of, like for an example, cookies or noodles. They are all millet based, gluten free. Final section they have vegetables. So yeah, with this we complete the store tour, and now let's head towards the cafe, which is on the first floor, Hibiscus Cafe. So let's get in. This is a small place, yet the interiors are very elegant and beautiful, in fact, with all greeneries around and ample daylight. Though we didn't eat anything because they had very less vegetarian options, and with no offense, the veg and non-veg kitchen was together, so that was one reason we avoided to eat anything. Yes friends, with this the store tour comes to an end and I'm done with my shopping as well. I will show you what I got after I reach home probably, or maybe I'll just add a clip at the end. And yeah, I would just finish this video with a small note that try to bring in this change. Let's all get back to our roots and get back to our basic traditional Indian cooking and cookware, because they are not just healthy way of cooking, and they are also very sustainable. So may make this change. I mean, small, you may not change the entire kitchen at one stretch. Try to buy, one utensils or one cookware at a time, and try to change the entire fancy looking non-stick cookware to this sustainable Indian traditional method of cooking. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified for all my upcoming videos, and follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates. Thank you.